Hello, students. I hope you are doing great. Today, we will be starting with the internal commands of DOS prompt. So, in order to get the DOS prompt screen, I need to click on this window tab. Then, I will be typing CMD. Otherwise, you can press window button and R simultaneously to get the run tab. Here in the run tab, you can type CMD again. Press OK. This is a DOS prompt screen that will appear to you. So, beginning with the basic internal commands, the first command that we'll be learning is the version command. If I want to know the version of the computer system or the laptop on which I'm working, so the command for the same is VER, enter. It shows my the current version of the laptop on which I'm working. Next, if I want to see the volume, so VOL is a shortcut key or the syntax. Volume in drive C, this is the label for drive C, and the serial number in my laptop. Next, if I want to know the current date in my laptop, DATE, date command, DATE, enter. The current date is 5th December 2020. Next, in case if I want to know the current time in my laptop, so time is the command. This is 8:58, 10 seconds with microseconds as well. What if I need to clear this entire screen? So the shortcut key or the syntax for the same will be CLS. CLS to clear the screen. Moving ahead with the dir command. If I want to know the number of directories in the C drive, I'm working in the C drive. So if I want to know the number of directories in this C drive, so the command for the same will be dir, enter. It will give me all the directories available in the C drive. So if I want to create a new directory in the C drive, so the command for the same is md, make directory. MD with a name, let's say with my name. I want to create a new directory in the C drive with my name. So the command for the same will be MD Bhavna. Enter. Now I want to change myself. I need to work with this drive, Bhavna drive. I want to change from C drive to Bhavna drive, and the command to change the drive will be CD Bhavna. Now you can see the difference here. See, earlier I was working with C drive. Now I will be working in C drive and in Bhavna directory. If I want to create a new file in this Bhavna directory, so the command for the same will be copycon. Copycon ABC. Okay, this is just the file name that will appear in the Bhavna directory in C drive, and I can type any content, whatever I wish to. ABC includes output. ABC include output. In order to save the content in this file, I need to press Ctrl Z and then enter. In order to save the content in this file, I need to press Ctrl Z and then enter. Done. What if I want to see the content of this ABC file? What is there? What is there written in this ABC file? Command for the same is type. TYPE, type name of the file ABC. See, ABC includes output only. Okay. If I want to rename this file, so command for the same is, in order to rename the file, rename, ren is the command. REN, older name to a newer name. ABC to XYZ. See, and if I want to see the content of this XYZ file, what's there in this? Same type command, X, Y, Z. Enter. ABS include the output. This is what I have written in the ABC file. Same content appeared in XYZ file. If I want to copy the content of XYZ file to another file, so the command for the same will be copy. Copy command. Copy command to save the content of one file to another file. XYZ to LMN. Enter. One file is copied. If I want to see the content what is there in LMN, जो content मेरा XYZ में था, same content will appear in LMN2. So type command will be used LMN. So there in the C drive there is Bhavna directory, and in that Bhavna directory there exists two files. Earlier with the name ABC, which got replaced with the name XYZ, and the same XYZ file get copied to LMN. So students, I hope you would have able to understand various internal commands in DOS, starting from version ver command, volume vol command, date date command, time time command. For directory it is dir command. For make directory, it is md command. For change directory, it is cd command. To create a file in a directory, it is copycon command. To see the content of the file, it is type command. To copy the content of file from one to another, it is copy command. And to rename the file, it is ren command, ren. So that's all for the day. Thank you, good luck, and goodbye.